Oh, look at this. That's very clever. That's brilliant. Do you know what this is? It's a mutoscope. It's an old Victorian idea. You get animation when you turn the handle, and you get like a little cartoon. And it comes in a kit form. There's the pictures all ready to put in order. There's the box it comes with. There's the winding mechanisms there, and full instructions, and well within the capability of a grown up, and probably many kids as well. So let me just show you what it does. It's extremely well arranged, and it's very, very realistic. That appears like this. My little finger only is all it needs, and you turn and see what happens. If you study that hard enough, you'll see that it's a mutoscope showing a little blue bird who's showing a mutoscope. Isn't that a clever idea?